Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm very excited. Today is going to be a little bit of a different Bionicle haul video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my orders from Buryu's Forge and Venom's Custom Brickworks. I'm super excited, so let's get started. First, I'm going to open my order from Venom Custom Brickworks. I got the V2 TCS Shock T headgear. Ooh, it comes in this little plastic component. I love that. Very cute. These look amazing. This design for this headpiece is based off Shock T from LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga. It looks very good. It looks very similar to her design in that video game. Let's see how it fits. Ooh, it fits great. It looks a little weird because it is black, but stay tuned for the rest of the video and you'll see if we can change that. That looks amazing. Yeah, thank you so much, Venom Custom Brickworks. I will probably be ordering from them again. This is really great quality. Both of these headpieces are very well made. They're very similar quality, and I would definitely recommend these to purchase if you want that classic Shock T look. I also got a little gift with purchase. It looks like a little character helmet that I do not know the character. So thank you so much, Venom Custom Brickworks. I appreciate it. I just don't know who this is. Okay, now for the main attraction, my order from Buryu's Forge, my, I believe, third order from them. It's just constant bangers, so I just can't stop ordering. I got 4 masks that I'm very excited for. Let's start on my order from Buryu's Forge. I got 2 of these noble masks of biomechanics by Galva. I got 1 of the mask of growth. I think it was designed by Perpetual and modeled by Rothanak. And then I got this Faxon that was also by Galva. Very excellent designs. I always applaud these people's work. I could never do this. The quality from Buryu is always 100%. Well, unless you get cat hair on them. I am always satisfied with their quality, the speed, the customer service. I love going through Buryu's Forge to purchase my masks. One of these masks of biomechanics is for Umoya, already looking like the only diva. The second mask of biomechanics is for Kanapa, giving very much non-binary tease. The Faxon also looks great. This is for the Bomanga Toahaga contest, I believe. I'm using it for a different reason. I'm using it for my character in Fazwe. It looks fabulous. The connection is really, really good. And then lastly, one of my original favorite masks. This is the Mask of Growth. This is my favorite non-canon Kanohi design out of any. This is fabulous. I love it so much. And it is going on my Toa of Ice Hookah. He looks He looks amazing. I'm so excited. Actually, look at that match. I don't even have to paint this, to be honest. It looks so good already. Okay, so now that the review unboxing portion of the video is over, now I am going to go outside and start painting. I'm very excited. I have been wanting these masks for a while. I have all my spray paint colors ready. So let's head outside. Okay guys, we are outside. I'm having a pretty precarious setup right now, so bear with me. Firstly, I'm gonna get this little mask of biomechanics. See how she does. I'm gonna paint the first one silver and see what happens. I am not a professional spray painter, so don't take any advice from me. Oh my god, it's almost chrome. It's beautiful. Don't know if you guys can see it. None of these are the same color, so I'm kind of regretting my setup choice now, but we all have to live and learn. So So I'm gonna do the other mask of Biomechanics with my lime color. The lime is a little more thick and sticky than the silver one, so gotta do lighter, more even coats and hope for the best. Okay, I only have 2 painting stands, so what we're gonna do is wait for these to dry and then come back in a little minute. Actually, the Shakti headpiece and the Bomanga mask are both gonna be white, so I'm actually just gonna do a little thin coat of this paint, which is very thick and very sticky and very easy to mess up. So we're just gonna do that much. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have rigged a little stand for my Faxon, and I got my sunglasses. So I feel like I could take over the world. Okay, can you hear the ambulance? There's my Faxon all done. A little crunchy, but that's my fault. I'm gonna put it on here. Now, I'm gonna let these dry, and in a few hours I'll come back and we will show them off. See you guys then. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's been about an hour and my painted pieces are not what I would call dry, but they're definitely ready for display. So first, going in with my little Shakti headpiece. Let's turn the brightness up a little bit. This hand trick has actually never worked until now. It looks amazing. The paint actually went on very evenly. There's a little bump right there, but who cares? It's gonna look, I just painted this, so I'm not gonna take it off. It's gonna look really cute on top of Shakti. So there's that, it's still drying in my winder. Hopefully the UV radiation does something, I don't know. Here's my mask of growth for hookah. Just a light little paint job, nothing crazy because it was already white. It looks great. This mask is so freaking perfect. Okay, can't wait to put that on hookah, but it's not dry enough for me to like mangle it on there yet. Umoya's mask of Biomechanics. I feel ridiculous doing that, but it's working. It looks amazing. Little bit of bubbles, doesn't really matter to me. I'm not a professional, so it looks great, and no one's ever gonna be looking that close up. Now for Kanapa's mask of Biomechanics, there was a spider on it. That is beautiful. This is literally perfect. The silver is almost chrome. It's so beautiful. And this is gonna look really good on, hey y'all, on Kanapa. And last but not least, my Kanoki Faxon for Mfazwe. This one's a little bubblier than the other ones. I don't know what caused that. Maybe I didn't shake the paint enough or something, but from the front, you can't tell, and it looks beautiful and amazing. So I am overall very satisfied with these products. I am always satisfied when I order from Buryu's Forge. I will also definitely be ordering from Venom's Brickwork again because the quality is amazing. I don't really have a need for any of their characters that they have right now, but if I ever want like a classic TCS A-list Akira, I would definitely buy this one. That is my review of my orders from Buryu's Forge and from VenomCBW. Thank you so much to both of them for amazing work, amazing products. I'll link both of their Instagrams in my caption below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on Monday. Peace, y'all.